Believe it or not,
About 60% of our genes belong to the same families as banana genes.
crazy, right? Plus, your own spit contains a natural painkiller that's actually 6 times stronger than morphine. Okay, let's step inside and meet the 4 microscopic building blocks that literally keep you alive. First up, carbohydrates. These act just like petrol, breaking down into simple glucose to power your cells. Next are proteins. Think of them as Lego bricks made of amino acids that build your tissues. Then there's lipids, or fats. They're basically your long-term energy savings account, building up your cell walls. Finally, nucleic acids like DNA. This is the top-secret genetic instruction manual used to build those proteins. This brilliantly illustrates metabolism, which is split into breaking things down and building things back up. Enzymes use a lock-and-key model, meaning they only react perfectly with very specific molecules. Missing a key? Well, without the lactase enzyme, you can't break down milk. Hello, lactose intolerance. So the crucial point here is doctors measure this exact chemistry to detect major hidden diseases. Bad cholesterol blocks arteries, while broken insulin keys trap glucose in your blood, which causes diabetes. Let's see how this all builds into the World Health Organization's daily dietary guidelines. Basically, fuel your factory correctly. Eat way more plants, choose good fats, and definitely limit sugar. Knowing your stomach acid can literally dissolve a razor blade, how will you fuel your factory today?
Subscribe for more biochemistry and medical knowledge.